All right, guys, today is Sunday around 11 a.m. and I'm going to meet my friend Sharon. Now, Sharon's an older lady. I actually met her in a crystal class years ago, and she's a really cool person. She actually buys crystals and she sells them to friends, family, you know. And yeah, in the past, she sold me some crystals that she felt like, yeah, she's very intuitive, and she would pick crystals for me that she thinks I need. I haven't seen her in 2 or 3 years, and I just got an email that there's this crystal, it's a citrine. I think she's quoting me around $200. A really nice piece, she says, that is calling my name. It's for me, she says, and I want to check it out. I had to drive a little ways to get here. I'm in Redwood City right now, and we're at a place called Harry's Hofbräu. We're gonna have lunch, and then we're gonna go after lunch. It's a really cool place. If you ever guys been there, this place is really cool. It's like a place where they have like these fresh cooked meats. Like they slice the meats for you, like roast beef or turkey, or you can get mashed potatoes or a salad or a roll. So it's a really cool place.
And I don't want to take it inside because when we go to get our food, we have to leave it at the table.
Oh.
So I don't, somebody might walk off with it. I would be very upset if that happened because this is a really special crystal.
Okay. Cool. Oh wow, this is nice.
Isn't that gorgeous? And it's really an unusual color because you have to be very, very careful. This is extremely fragile.
Oh, okay.
And it's citrine is an abundance crystal.
Oh, good.
For some reason.
Well, I definitely need abundance, and I've been working with affirmations. Like I've been saying, my income increases daily, or something like that. I don't know. My income constantly increases, so maybe this is a sign to.
Well, isn't that interesting? Let me see if I'm grounded. Am I grounded? Am I connected? Okay. Does my maiden name have an E? Okay, that's correct. Does my maiden name? Hold on, something. I need to redo this. Guardian angels of mine, created by true creator of all that is, perfect alignment of all that is. Thank you for making sure that I am solidly grounded to the deep within the crystalline core of Gaia, and to her heart, and to the highest level of creation. It's all in a perfect state of order now. We need to cover this crystal up right now. Yes. Okay.
Oh, you need to cover the crystal up?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, because they don't want it picking up the energy from outside.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay. So is this crystal cloaked? It's cloaked. That's why they don't want it out. So it's cloaked. So cloaked means when you have to work with it, you want to ask it to uncloak itself.
Okay.
And then,
wow.
Is this crystal an abundance crystal? Yes, it is. Does it have other purposes other than abundance? Yes. Does it have healing purposes? Yes. For Karen? Yes. For her clients? Yes. Is it to be around her clients? No, but she can call upon the energy from wherever she is to be with her when she's working with clients. Is that accurate? Yes. How much does this resonate with Karen? 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, 6, 7, 8, 99%.
Wow.
How much does this resonate with true creator of all that is? 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, 6, 7, 8, 99, 100%. So you're 100% connected to source through this crystal.
Wow. Wow.
They just screamed at me when I came across this crystal and I was ready to pack it, and they're just screaming at me, Karen,
wow.
Karen. And I'm
thinking,
my God. Because I kept checking and I didn't think I had anything.
Oh, really?
And and this was cloaked, and that's probably why, because I probably forgot to ask, was there anything that was cloaked that I was supposed to find for you?
Wow.
So anyway, so that's it. So
yeah, I'll definitely take it. Because especially if it's 100% matching my energy, right?
It's 99% your energy, 100% source.
Okay.
So that's pretty good.
Do you want me to put this in my car?
I think you should put it in your car now because it's safer there.
Okay, I'll put it in my car.
Okay, cool. All right.
Fresh tri-tip. Oh, thank you.
Potatoes or something?
Yeah, mashed potatoes.
Thank you so much. Gravy?
Yeah, gravy. Yeah, I want to get like a salad with salsa dressing.
Salsa dressing on top or on the side?
That top's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. don't know what kind of dessert. My friend Sharon is going to get chocolate cake. I don't know if I should get carrot cake.
Carrot cake is delicious.
I'm either gonna, should I get this one or this one? Which one should I get?
Oh, the pecan pie is delicious too. I've had the so this is fabulous.
They're all fabulous, right?
Well, I haven't tried this one before.
Oh, you haven't?
I don't like the whipped cream on this stuff. It kind of tastes like fake whipped cream. Okay.
I think I'm gonna get the
And you wanted something else?
yeah, I'm trying to figure out which one I want. Which one's better, this one or this one?
What? The red velvet or
No, the chocolate cake or the.
this is so better.
This is better?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get this one. Looks really good.
Okay. You want anything else for you?
No, that's it.
Oh.
Thank you. Alright, so today is Monday around 8 p.m. Alright, so I got this little cute pot. It's Tasty is the brand name. It's from Walmart, and I thought it'd be a good addition to my studio cottage. It's my cottage. It's kind of blue. It has a blue theme. I didn't realize when I opened it up, it's actually a Dutch oven. So I don't know a lot about Dutch ovens. But let me know, guys, if you cook with Dutch ovens, what do you cook with? I know you can make like regular stuff like pasta and stuff, so. But I think this would be really cool, like in the background. I'm going to do a video tonight, and if I could put this in the background of my video, I think it would look really cute. So tonight I'm making a home-cooked meal. I get a lot of requests to do home-cooked meal, and I found a recipe on YouTube. It's like a chicken dish with like a sour cream, cheese mixture on top. I'm going to serve with rice and broccoli, so I think it should be really good, guys. Alright, I thought I would show you a little haul I would get. I got it at Walmart. I wasn't going to do a video because it's just a very small item. It's not that much, but macaroni and cheese. This is my favorite macaroni and cheese. I know it's really bad, but this tastes, it's just the best, guys. I don't like the organic. It's organic, okay. Got this Kraft Caesar dressing. This is for my chicken dinner tonight. Can't wait. Now this is mild taco seasoning mix at Taco Bell. This is like 69 cents or something. I'm going to be doing a recipe video, I think, this Saturday. I'm not sure. But it's going to be like a Mexican cornbread Mexican soup. And it calls for a seasoning mix. So I thought I would just try that. So don't quote me, but I might. Got some spam, so I could do more spam videos. If you guys want to see me more spam videos, give me some ideas. I got baking soda. I like to put it in my bath. It makes my body feel really soft. I think these were like 79 cents. And a great value extra virgin olive oil. I don't know how much this cost, but it was pretty cheap. Alright guys, here is my chicken dish for tonight with broccoli and rice. Healthy eating. Alright guys, I just finished my video. That was so freaking good. I would make that again. Like I said, I have extra 3 chickens left. I have some rice. I can make more rice. Great meal, guys. Great meal. So today is Wednesday around 6 p.m. My friend Jane is going to come over and we're going to try a Reiki session. It's my turn to make a vegetarian meal. And I asked her if she wanted veggie burgers and sweet potato fries or like a veggie patty and a salad. And she preferred to have a veggie patty and a salad, which I thought she might since she's trying to, you know, eat more healthy, do low carb. So it'll be a low carb dish. I got this Trader Joe's broccoli and kale salad. It's really good. There's dried cranberries, blueberries, almonds, sunflower seeds with a sweet creamy salad dressing. I love the salad so much. And then we're going to be frying up some veggie burgers. All right, Jane is helping me with the salad. She just put the salad in the bowl.
Yeah, maybe I can do it without. These are dried cherries. Then we have roasted sunflower seeds and almonds. See if I can open this.
And then there's the dressing that I might need.
Let's do that last.
Okay.
Are these the kind you like?
I'm pretty sure I've had these before.
I did
like
before. Remember? You liked them?
Oh, are
Remember
these
we
the
had-
ones that you served?
Yeah, the veggie burgers.
Oh, okay, yeah, they were really good.
On the hamburger bun.
Yeah.
Hamburger bun. But you wanted a veggie patty and salad.
Yeah.
That's what you requested, so be good. Actually, it's better. Veggie burgers are done. Now we're just gonna make the salad. Just gonna add the dressing, but this is really good. I love this
This
dressing.
is delicious. And it's got dried cherries and almonds and sunflower seeds in it.
It's good.
Yeah, this is a good way to get your broccoli because it makes it taste really good.
Yeah.
Because raw broccoli isn't the best unless you put ranch dressing on it. That's good.
It's funny that this has broccoli. I just had broccoli twice with that chicken dinner I was talking about.
Uh-huh.
So, broccoli's good for you though.
Oh yeah, especially raw.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Cool.
Want me to put some on here? So this is mine, right?
Sure. Yeah, that's sure.
Okay.
Looks
There
good.
we go. So how much do you want? More than that or no?
Well,
Little bit?
Yeah, slightly. That's good enough.
Okay.
If I want more, get more.
Yeah.
There's our veggie milk, guys. All right, guys. It is Friday night, about 7:30 p.m. Got home, took a nice bath. Gonna make some pizza in the oven, and I'm gonna watch a movie. There's a few movies I was thinking about watching, but I kind of was craving a scary movie, and this is a new movie that I actually think I bought this at Target a month ago, and I haven't even like watched it yet. This is Pet Sematary. It's the new one that came in the theaters like 6 months ago or something like that. So it looks good. I read the Pet Sematary first one. So yeah, I guess I'll watch it, and maybe I'll do a little review afterwards, guys. And for tonight's pizza, I got this at Safeway. Yes, I do shop at Safeway. This is Wild Mike's Ultimate Pizza. It has sausage and uncured pepperoni. Looks good with it. I got some Coke. So this should be a fun night, guys. Alright guys, here's my pizza. I did add some onions and some red and green peppers, bell peppers to make it more satisfying. And then I also added some cheese on top. So it looks really good. Excited. Alright guys, I just saw Pet Sematary. It was pretty good. Yeah, I'll probably give that 4 out of 5. It's pretty good. It's updated from the 1989 version, but for some reason I thought it'd be like a little bit of a different story. But it's pretty much the same story, but maybe, definitely different dialogue, a little bit different scenes, but it's pretty much the same story as the first one in 1989, if you guys seen that. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'll recommend it if you've never seen Pet Sematary, if you want to see an updated version. I would give that 4 out of 5, guys. Alright guys, I just finished my client. I had one Reiki session today. It's about 1:30 p.m. Now I'm going to head over to Dublin. I'm going to be picking up a white nightstand for my bedroom. I think it's going to be perfect. It's kind of expensive, it's $49, but it's higher because since my bed is higher and my nightstand right now is really low, so when I have coffee or something, I have to put like a little bowl so the coffee cup won't be so low. So it's higher. I think it's a little bit bigger, so it's good, and I think it's going to match perfectly with my bedroom because I have a white bed, like a white TV stand going on. So that's what I'm doing right now, guys. Alright guys, I just picked up the dresser. I don't know if you guys can see on the back, so I'm going to put it in my bedroom and let you know how it looks in my bedroom, guys. It should be good. Alright guys, I just came back from Safeway. I'm going to be making a special video tonight. It's going to be a Mexican cornbread, Mexican soup. I'll show you what I got in this bag. I did go to Safeway. I got some of these big plastic
Got some of these big bags, so if I want to have extra soup, I can store it in this one. Soup does call for cheese, and also the cornbread, so I got some cheese. I like to get coffee at Safeway if it's on sale. This was on sale for like $7, I think. Tully's Hawaiian Blend. I also love Starbucks House Blend. This is probably my favorite, one of my favorite coffees. All right, cornmeal for the corn, beef broth. I need sweet corn for the cornbread and for the Mexican soup. Organic half and half. Petite diced tomatoes. Tomato puree. Lime for the soup. Sour cream for the soup. I was craving ice cream maybe tonight. This is loads of sundae salted salted caramel pecan. This is really good. This is like $1.50, I think. Now this is called bourbon maple blondie ice cream. I don't know if I have this before, but it looks really good. So I'm gonna try that out. All right, guys, I'm having some of this ice cream. It is so freaking good. I'm gonna go back to the store get some more. And I realized, I know I bought cilantro and I can't find it in the back, and I have to have cilantro in this recipe. I love cilantro so much. I think it's going to make the recipe amazing. So guys, I'm going back to the Safeway, and I'm going to get some cilantro. And I'm going to get some more of this ice cream, because this is so good. Alright guys, I just came back, got some cilantro. I got another one of these bourbon maple blonde ice cream. So good. I realized, I should have got more than one because it was on sale. Normally $4.99, on sale for $2.50. So it's a great deal, guys. Love it. Alright guys, here's my nightstand. I just got the white one, so see my bed's kind of like taller than the nightstand, so if I want to have some coffee, you have to reach down and it sucks. So I'm going to put the white nightstand on and see how that looks. I think it's going to be a little bit bigger than this one, so that'll be good. Alright, here is my new nightstand. I like it, so when I'm on my bed, and if I want some coffee, it's not so low. It's perfect. This is a little small. I think what I might do with this one, put some like note paper here, or journals in there, or books. Down there, I'm going to put my new crystal that I got. That might look really nice. Alright, I decorated it a little bit. There's my crystal on the bottom right there. And then up here is just like my remote controls for the TV and DVD players. Pen, sage, amethyst crystal, some oils. And then I'll put my coffee here when I want to. I have my coffee here a lot when I want to watch TV or Netflix, so I think it looks pretty good. I forgot I have this, I forget what this is called, but rock thing. That might look cute, maybe. Even though it has cilantro in here, I'm going to add a little bit of extra cilantro, guys. I just love cilantro. And some cheese. And lastly, some sour cream. Yum.